PA 101, Chapter 7. Number 1. Minimum wind new stair 915 millimeter occupancy load less than 50 person. 1120 millimeter occupancy load greater equal less than greater equal 50 person and less than 2000. 14 to 1420 millimeter occupancy occupant load equal greater than 2000. Number 2, stair riser height new building maximum riser 180 millimeter, minimum riser 100 millimeter, minimum tread 280 millimeter, minimum headroom 2030 millimeter. Number 3, stair existing building maximum riser 205 millimeter, minimum tread 230 millimeter, acceptable variation riser between landing and smallest equal to 9.5 millimeter. Landing length maximum 1220 millimeter. Protection for vertical opening on apartment building more than 4 floors is 2 hours. An occupancy use for the transaction business other than mercantile business occupancy. For high-rise apartment protection with sprinkler, what is the fire enclosure rating required for exit? 2 hours. Fire command center area 9 square meter. An occupancy used to provide care for a group of people by other than their relatives in a period of less than 24 hours. Daycare occupancy. The main element of egress, exit access, exit discharge. NFP code for standard for fixed guideway transit and passenger rail system is NFA 130. NFA code for standard for portable fire extinguisher is NFA 810. NFPA code for standard for the installation of standpipe and hose system NFPA 14. NFPA code for national fuel gas NFPA 54. NFPA code liquefied petroleum gas NFPA 58. NFPA code for standard for parking structure NFPA 88A. NFPA code for types of building construction NFPA 220. NFPA code for hazardous materials code NFPA 400. NFPA standard for National Fire Protection Association stand for National Fire Protection Association, an organization, office, or individual responsible for enforcing the requirements of a code or standard or for approving equipment, materials, and installation or procedures is authority having jurisdiction AHI, AHJ. Common fact assembly occupancy serving less than 50. Answer is 23 meters. Fire resistance rating of column for type 2 supporting one floor only 1 hour rating. Travel distance for business sprinkle 91 meters. Fire pump room when basement shall be located not lower than 1 basement depth. International code adopted by QCDD is NFPA. Iris building more than 30 stories shall be provided with at least one refuse floor and interval or not more than 20 stories. Universities instructional classroom under 50% is business occupancy. NFPA code for smoke control system is NFPA 92. Nursery is a childcare occupancy. NFPA 72, National Fire Alarm and Signaling Code. Common path of travel, the portion of exit access that must be traversed before two separate and distinct paths. Up to travel to two exit are available. Fire barrier, a continuous membrane or a membrane with discontinuous created by protected opening with a specified fire protection rating, where such membrane is designed and constructed with a specified fire resistance rating to limit the spread of fire. Fire area, the aggregate floor are enclosed and bounded by four walls, fire barriers, exterior wall or horizontal assemblies of a building. 23 meters non-sprinkled and 33 meters fully sprinkled. Fire protection rating, the designation indicating the duration of fire test exposure to which an opening protective assembly was exposed. Multiple occupancy, a building or structure in which two or more classes of occupancy exist. NFPA 22 standard for water tank. NFPA 130 Rail Metro. NFPA 229 Fire Flow Testing. NFPA 88B Parking Repair.